Okay, so in the previous two lessons, we learned about how to make lists, unordered lists and ordered lists, and we also learned how to make tables. Now let's do a coding exercise. We're going to make a table with a list inside of it. So I want you guys to work on this for a couple minutes, and you try it yourself and see if you can do it. It should be relatively straightforward. It shouldn't be anything too hard or something you can't do. So here's what I want you guys to make. So it's basically a table with a border of size 2. And inside here, we're going to have a table heading that says favorite restaurants, a table heading that says favorite attractions, and inside here, we're going to have table data that has an unordered list that says our favorite restaurants, which are Five Guys and Chick-fil-A, and then an ordered list of our favorite attractions, which say Six Flags and Disney World. Now go ahead and give this a shot. You can go ahead and pause this video and try it for yourself, and if you can't figure it out or you feel like you've done it, then go back and press play. So, see you in a couple minutes. Alright, so hopefully you gave that a shot. It shouldn't have been too difficult, but if you couldn't get it, don't worry. We'll show you how to do everything right now. So let's go over here to Komodo, and we're going to open a new file from template. So let's do HTML5, and we'll call this the tables and list exercises. So let's open that. And let's add the extension. And let's go ahead. So, start off with the skeleton. We're going to put the meta chart set that we already had pasted. So let's do that. Let's change the title to tables and list exercise. And let's go ahead and start coding. So, starting off, we're going to start with the table tag. So let's do bracket table. Let's give ourselves a little bit of room to work with. Now over here, what are we going to start with? So we notice that we have a table row starting off. So start it with a table row. So tr bracket. Let's give ourselves another space of line. Now we have, these aren't regular table datas. So these are table headings because they're bolded. So let's do table headings. So bracket th bracket. Now let's write in our first one. So favorite restaurants. Let's do another table heading that says favorite attractions. Alright, so we've done this part already. Now let's work on to this part. So we're going to go to this table ending table row tag. We're going to go under it and we're going to make another table row. So tr bracket, and let's close that off. Alright, now inside here we're going to have table data. So let's do td. Now inside this table data we have a list. So what are we going to do? We're going to implement the code that we had for our lists inside this TD. Because with a TD, you can put literally anything in here that's HTML support. You can put pictures, you can put lists, you can put other tables in here, and you can do a bunch of things inside TDs. So let's go ahead and implement the code for TD. So let's give ourselves another room space, and let's do the code for an unordered list. So let's do bracket ul bracket. Let's go under. Now let's do a list item. And inside that list item will be Five Guys. Alright, now we'll go ahead and do another list item because we have another list item, and it's going to be called Chick-fil-A. So Chick-fil-A. And there we go. We just finished off this one. Now let's go ahead and do the favorite attractions one. So let's go down to this TD. Let's go under it and we'll make another TD. Give ourselves some space. Now, the difference between this list and this list is that this one's unordered and this one's ordered. As you can see, we start off with 1 and 2 here. So we're going to go ahead and write an ordered list. So OL bracket, give ourselves some space, and then let's do a list item that says Six Flags. And then let's go under again. Let's do another list item that says Disney World. Alright. Now, just making sure we closed off everything. Everything seems to be good. So, that is it. That was the entire exercise. It shouldn't have been too hard. Now let's go ahead and make sure we did everything right. We didn't misspell anything. So let's go and open this up in Chrome. Preview. Oh, see, we caught one thing. So, we forgot one aspect of this website. So, as you can see, this one and this one are different because this one has a border and this one doesn't. So, let's go back and fix that. So, where do we implement the border attribute? We implement it in the table tag. So we're going to go to the table tag, give ourselves a space, and we're going to do border equals quotation mark 2 quotation mark, and that should be it. We should have exactly what is on the other page, and there we go, exactly the same. So there you go. Now you passed this exercise, and now let's move on to some more fun HTML. See you guys in the next lesson.